Hello everybody, well we're back again with Temu, yes, and guess what, there's another one coming tomorrow as well, so I've had one every day so far, it's quite lovely. But yeah, very interesting because this package, the one that I show you next, that's come before something that I ordered previous to that, so wasn't from the local warehouse, but it's just weird how that one's come before the one I ordered before that, but they could be on different planes. But the last one I'm going to save for last because it's such a wonderful one, and I'm very excited to see what it looks like. But yeah, so I can't remember, I think one of these was the 99p deals, and then I had one for 1p. I haven't had any more offers come through for 1p now, so I think that's completely ended now. But anyway, this is what we love, you know, nice flat canvases. So hopefully this package will be a little bit more better packed than the last one, because customs ruined it. Now, inside here we've got two beautiful paintings, but we have to show you, look, it's the woodpecker. I love birds, but I've never had a woodpecker. And this popped up and I thought, oh, you know, we could add that to the ever-growing collection of bird paintings that I do. This is quite nice because you see it's got like a green trim on it. Oh, this is, look, lovely and flat. That's what I love. Lovely and flat. But, oh my God, you can already see the detail on that. Looks really good. Wow. And what's lovely about this, you'll see in a minute. But look at this. What I love about, oh my days, look at that, this is stunning. But what I love about this is it's not just birds sitting on a branch or something. You've actually got the woodpecker, you know, with the tree that they peck. So how they don't get a headache with all them pecking it constantly, I don't know. But that's what they do. They chip away at the bark to build their thing, you know. Now, as you can see, we've got some lovely leaves. It sort of reminds me of you Endy and your Pendy, the drafts we did back in, I think it was August, with them colours, because they're very similar colours. And then we have these gorgeous birds. I mean, just look at that. You've got the lovely red hair. You've got this beautiful coat of feathers going on here. We've got some dark, light blue, dark blue, and this sort of zebra pattern going on here. And then obviously this must be the bird that's keeping an eye out for the prey. And this bird is probably wondering, like, why is he looking that way when he should be pecking the wood? And then obviously this tree is fantastic because they've given you like a bark effect, because as you can see it sort of looks like feathers as a, you know, in general. But this is a stunning painting. I cannot, you know, explain how clear this looks. It is absolutely gorgeous. The stick is so strong. Yeah, this is, oh, I can't get over how clear this is. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, look at that. And then obviously this is lovely. Look, you've got a branch there, and then some moss that you've got, and then down there. So this is fabulous. 20 colours in this. Again, your standard boat pen tray and wax, and then they've given you these gorgeous, I do like these Ziploc bags because when you've not got bags come up very often, you can just put a sticker over it and re-kit them back up with spare jewels, or, you know. But as you can see, you've got a black, a green, a blue, sort of grey blue there, a beautiful blue there, brown, orange, yellow, orange, green. That looks like a sort of apricot peachy colour, and then a darker green, a grey, a beautiful reddy pink colour there, burgundy, that looks like a dark blue, a yellow sneakily under there, and then a grey. But oh my God, this painting is fabulous. What a gorgeous painting. Okay, so the next one is this. I could not say no to this. This is, by the way, Linda over at Lazy Retired Granny, she's doing a new series which is called Wish I Had It. And what it is if you've got a painting that you want that you haven't bought yet, you send a photo of what that is that you want to buy, and you send it over to Linda, and then she shows it on the channel. But it's like a wish I had it. And then obviously the have to have it, so you know, the ones that you've bought that you show on her channel, and she shows everyone what you've bought. So yeah, do take part in that as well if you want to. Now this one is a stunning, oh my god, look at that. Wow. Split down the seam. It's like peas in a pod where they beep, beep, beep. They all pop open. Now this is absolutely gorgeous. My love for butterflies is like out the roof. I get that from my mum, because my mum has always adored butterflies. She's actually got a butterfly tattoo on her back, and I'll try and get a photo for you. And yeah, they're very, oh wow, look at that blue. Wow. Oh, that's like the icicle house one we did back in Christmas. But yeah, butterflies are very fragile creatures, because they only live for 3 days. Once they come out the caterpillar, as soon as they're a butterfly, they have a very, very short lifespan, and they come in all sorts of different colours. Oh my god, Paula, warning you now, you're not going to like this because it's pink. So look away from the screen, lovey. Now look at this. Oh wow. So gorgeous, isn't it? The colours are absolutely stunning. And you've got some roses, you've got pink roses. It makes you want to be part in the, it makes you want to, you know, be part of this garden. You know, this is, oh, I'm so happy with this. This is gorgeous. Yeah, look, we've got some partial butterflies here, and then we've got 1, 2, 3 smaller butterflies. So we've got small, medium, and this beautiful, beautiful large one here, which is looks like it's going to have some marquees. I just love this. And the way they've got like different coloured roses as well. The stick, yeah, beautiful stick. As you can see, we've got colours down to E, but this is just, I mean, even some flowers going on here. But oh my god, this has got to be one of the best butterfly paintings I've ever bought. Wow. And it's a partial, and even better that it's not, I think standard drills wouldn't work very nice on this, so to give us like the sparkly shimmery ones are quite nice. Again you Ben, pen, tray and wax. And right, without further ado, let's get into these, because I'm dying to see these colours. Oh wow, that's interesting. Look, they've given us a free, oh, that's quite rare. We never get elastic bands around them. Wow, got a free elastic band, guys. Wow, cool. I think that's the first ever elastic band I've had on a painting. But look at these. We've got a silver, a pink, a beautiful hot pink there, a green, a black, a sort of amber colour, light blue. This one I remember from the lighthouse. This one I remember from the icicle house, and we got a pink, like button one, orange marquee, green marquee, and a silver teardrop, I think. Yeah, that's a teardrop. Okay, lovely. Now for the best one of all. You are not going to believe what is in this package. Now, this was 1p, okay? It was part of the 1p deals, 40x40 painting, which I was absolutely shocked, because they're normally like very expensive, like 4 or 5 quid for a 40x40, and to get it for 1p is just out of this world. Now, just as I want to point out, when you get the 1p box, you can't like type into the search bar what you want. It's paintings that they recommend. And when I found this, it took me ages because I was scrolling, because you don't have to get paintings, you can get like other things. Like, it doesn't have to be diamond paintings. They might recommend like a pair of slippers. I've actually seen Halloween slippers for 1p. And yeah, this just blew my mind, and you will see what I mean when we see it. I'm just so excited to start this. Now, I have just noticed that's come out like that, so good job you didn't, you know, cut through here, otherwise it would have cut that off. So, you know, I think they've tried to squeeze it in the bag there, but yeah, this painting is, oh my god, I've been so excited about this. But I wasn't expecting this yet, because I only ordered it like the other day, but it's come through so quickly. And yeah, yeah, so it's a little bit bent up in here where they've tried to bend it in the package, but I can, you know, flatten that out. Now in here, you are not going to believe what it is. It is absolutely, I just fell in love with it straight away. It is a 40x40, and can anyone guess what it might be? Oh my god, look at this. Oh my days. Oh yes, this is like the Christmas department from the range. Look at this. Oh my god, wow, look at this. So you know we did that unboxing of the carousel in the summer. Well, this came up and it's a Christmas carousel. So as you can see, this is just absolutely stunning. You've got Christmas trees, bit of snow effect going around, even like, you know, like the holly and the ivy effect going on there. But just look at this, all this wonderful, even the horses, the base of it is like all that Christmassy vibe. And just look down here, you've got trees either side of it. I mean, this is just out of this world. Look at that. Oh my days. We've got a giant ball here, a candy cane, presents all around, and then some snow as you're walking up the stairs on here. It looks very sort of like abandoned in some ways, where like no one's actually used it and it's hidden in this forest, you know. Feels like a bit of a thing that you could probably get from the film Narnia. But just the way the trees are all going round here, it would suggest that perhaps it's been forgot about. But I mean, I can't get this up any higher, but how can you not say no to this? I just fell in love with it. I love my carousels, and I think this will look very nice with that one that we did a few months ago that I unboxed. But yeah, I am just loving this. There are so many wonderful Christmas paintings coming out, and the thing is, with Christmas, I spend so much more on Christmas paintings than I do throughout any of the rest of the year. But yeah, when I saw this, I had to have it. I just had to have this. And I did upsize it to 40x40 because I really want to try to go bigger with paintings, especially something like this. You do want it to be a lovely, decent size. There's 19 colours. The stick, oh yes, the stick's gorgeous. Wow. Yeah. Whether we've got enough wall space for all these Christmassy paintings, I don't know, but for now, I don't care about that. I want my painting. But look at this again. All this is colour block, and it's your classic 3865. When you've been diamond painting for quite some time, you do get used to the colours off by heart. The only colours I know off by heart is 310, which is normally a W or M. 3865 is normally your whites, 310s are blacks. 550 is a very vibrant purple. 666 is a very, like the reddest red you can get. I think 718 or 782 is like an off-white, and all the rest it would take me ages to do, but I can't stop looking at this. It's just so beautiful, absolutely stunning. This, I don't know, but I could be wrong, but that looks like, I know you can't see the detail, but I feel like that's a nutcracker standing there, because that looks like a face, and then that looks like a bit of a suit, and then a hat there, but I don't know. But I love it. I absolutely love this. But we've got to move on, because otherwise I'll be staring at it all day otherwise. Now in here, obviously, there's loads of... Oh, blimey, look at the size of that. Wow, that's a huge bag of drills. Gorgeous. Look at that. All these beautiful colours. These are absolutely stunning. So yeah, I'm really, really over the moon with my purchases. So again, we've got this one. We've got our lovely woodpecker. I love them all, but this carousel, oh my god, like, I just love it. And then obviously we've got this beautiful, beautiful butterfly. So yeah, that's been a better unboxing than the last one, because like package wise, because the packaging last one was terrible, no thanks to customs. But yeah, I suppose obviously if they're like various different things in there, they are going to open it. But yeah, I'm very excited. Sharon as well. We've got Sharon's Wild Boars package that has been picked up by the courier today. I reckon that'll be another 2 days away, but tomorrow we're back to another Temu. Hopefully, it's moving through the network at Lutterworth and should be at Ipswich very shortly. So we should have that tomorrow, and I can't actually remember what it is. I don't think it's diamond paint related, but if it is not diamond paint related, then I won't show it. I'll do like a whip and chat instead. But yeah, my god, like seriously guys, you need to have this carousel in your life. It's gorgeous. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And we are coming to the end of the Temu unboxings now, because I haven't ordered anything else yet. So we'll depending what arrives tomorrow, we'll either do a Temu unboxing, or we might go back to a bit of the Haunted Hallows and get a little bit more of that done. But anyway, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye.